So yummy. Hey guys, welcome back to
Kitchen Yo.
We're making egg bites today because we love Starbucks egg bites.
They're really good.
But they're expensive and we waste gas. All you need for this recipe is heavy cream, eggs, bacon, and cheddar cheese. We use different cheese than Starbucks because we didn't have their cheese and it's our version and it's homemade.
Let's get started.
The ingredients you would need are,
Of course, eggs,
chopped bacon,
cheese,
heavy cream, and the tools will be linked in the description box down below. First, you want to take your 6 eggs and then crack some. Oh, okay. And then crack them into a bowl. And the yolk doesn't have to be perfect.
just put it back.
Ooh. Oh my god. Like boogers. Ah! Okay. This is not going so well.
Her egg broke, but that's okay.
Oh my god. Okay, this is very messy. I'm too scared to crack it on the table again, so I'm gonna just do what Victoria does. So we cleaned our hands from all those egg boogers, and now you just want to mix them. So Victoria's mixing, and we have to mix it for a couple of minutes because it's still kind of thick.
No.
Victoria's inspecting. And then we're going to transfer it to the strainer, and you should like put the strainer on top of a bowl.
It's so satisfying.
When it comes down. And one other thing, we're using cheddar cheese, but you could use any kind of cheese you want.
Like mozzarella.
Yeah, but
And also you could use egg whites instead of just like cracking eggs.
yeah, but we think we like cheddar cheese with egg.
I don't like it with egg whites, cheddar cheese.
Yeah, for some reason.
It doesn't go well. The good part about when you use egg whites, you don't have to like mix it as well because it's already liquid.
But some people, they crack eggs and use the egg white. But other people, like us, we just use a carton of egg whites. So we don't have to separate it. So we just buy it.
So anyways, I'm just pouring many clumps in.
And I think it's better to leave it down.
Why?
I don't know. You don't want to spill it. You want to stir it when it's on the strainer if it doesn't go down much, because it might be still like thick, because sometimes you never know what happens.
I'm just scooping all the excess egg out.
Yep, this is a good technique. So we had strained all our eggs. Now you want to add in
Your heavy cream.
and we put in this pour thingy so it'd be easier. It's like a measuring cup, but it doesn't measure. Then you mix that.
It's lighter now.
Victoria's gonna do that while I'm gonna put in bacon into our silicone molds. So, and also you want to leave some bacon
For the top.
Yeah, sometimes you just need to like sprinkle it on. So I'm gonna use my
Cheese.
And I got a funny joke. What do you call a cheese that's not yours, Victoria?
Nacho cheese.
Correct. I learned that joke a long time ago. And I'm just putting like 2 or 3 pieces of bacon in one mold. But if there's extra, I'll add more.
I'm adding all more cheese.
This is really fun. Okay, I have extras, so... Okay, I'm done with the bacon. Ooh, it's so oily. And make sure your bacon's cooked before you do it. Even though you're gonna steam it and put it in the oven, you still wanna cook your bacon.
Then you wanna take a spoon
And transfer it into here. And you wanna cook it because when you steam it and put it in the oven, it still might be not cooking. You don't want to eat raw food. Okay, and I'm gonna put some bacon on the top.
I got some egg on there, but it's okay. We could clean that up.
This is super fun and super easy, guys. You gotta try this out. And it's easy for kids, but when you put it in the oven and steam it, make sure you have an adult to help you. Because you don't want to get burned. It really hurts.
Valerie, you need
Oh yeah,
some bacon.
Wait, I think a little more in there would be good.
Just put in there, right in there. Maybe this could use a little more. This is getting really easy.
You could do it faster, you know.
True.
We're done putting all our ingredients into the mold, and now we're gonna go to the steamer and steam it with parent supervision, of course. So let's take this to the steamer. I can't wait to try these out. My mom could eat it too because it's keto.
She's on keto diet.
So she should be happy this time because last time she couldn't have a donut in the donut video.
Because my mommy loves fruity.
Yeah, so she should be happy this time. But I think now I want to dig in. It looks kind of like a muffin, but it's an egg bite. It's hot. That's good.
Whoa. Looks so moist.
If you like this recipe, comment down below and give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe.